I'm Luke with 4Piston. Today we're going to be talking about our extreme race chain guides for K20 and K24 engines. When Honda designed these engines, these were meant for street use, low RPM, everyday commuter cars with pump gasoline in mind. We're taking these things to extreme RPMs, a lot of spring pressure, big camshafts, a lot of vibrations. We're adding compression, we're adding boost, we're doing all these things that make an already vibrating engine, you know, these four-cylinder engines have a lot of harmonics as it is, and we're just making it worse with all the things that we're doing to it. Bigger explosions, a lot more RPM, and the fuels attack the chain guides. So if you look at an OEM chain guide, this is one of the originals. You can see these are darker in color. They're actually, that's not just from oil, that's physically darker. It's a different material they used to use, and it's coming apart. And some of these fuels that we use in E85, race ethanols, methanols, all this stuff, nitro that some guys are running, they really break this down and make it soft. And these things will start to stretch. And then we've got all this extra spring pressure and RPM, and the chain's just going wild. It's going everywhere all over this thing. And it's really stretching these, and they'll start to come off, and then they pop off and they come apart. And it really causes you a lot of problems in your engine. So we've developed, and this is something we've been using for many years, our race chain guides. This is a really expensive material, actually. Make human bones out of this stuff. It's super strong. We've got a channel down the middle that really helps keep the chain in there. And when these are installed, we've actually changed the arc of this chain path so that it feeds much better onto the cam gear and off the cam gear, because this thing's really whipping around at high RPM, and it tears up this top guide as well. The way we feed this on here really helps keep that centered and intact, and it has that channel to keep it in. So this material is not going to break down with fuel. If you're running methanol, we used to have to replace these stock chain guides every race sometimes, especially like in a midget or dirt car application. You'd have to go after one night or two nights and check your tensioner, change some chain guides, and you know, it may be $300 to $400 now to change those out, but it's also a big pain in the butt to get in the car, take the timing cover off. It's just a lot of maintenance. It's a big ordeal. So, you know, these are priced pretty competitively to where you do that twice and you've more than paid for these, and you can run 80 races on these. They're never going to degrade. You run a chain across this, you run all that fuel, you run whatever you're going to do, and you take this apart after a season, it will look like a chain never even rode on it. These are really, really high quality, really good chain guides, robust, and it's going to save you a lot of maintenance, and it's going to save you an engine. It's a lot easier on the tensioner and on the chain as well. This is going to be one of the original ones, like this coloration that Honda put in the engines when they first started making them, but now, you know, they've changed them. They're a different material, and this is even worse. This gets really, really soft and starts to come apart. You'll see these chain guides come apart really, really quickly in a racing application for sure, even in your street cars. These are really, really easy to install. Comes with all the hardware to put them on. If you want to purchase these chain guides, there's a link in the description, or you can check out all of our other race products at 4piston.com.